Hey, what's going on, guys? Pig Gamer here, and today I am reviewing Lego Harry Potter, Aragog, Aragog's Lair, set number 75950. It contains 157 pieces, and its recommended ages 7 through 14. So, here we have Harry and I don't really know who that is. I'm sorry for everyone who is a Harry Potter fan, but I have no idea who that is. I know who that is. That's Harry. No idea who that is. But anyways, we have a tree with some spiders around it. And we have a giant spider, which I'm assuming is Aragog. Oh yeah, on the back we have, I guess some interaction, and it looks like some sort of web or something like that can be shot out. So here we have the instruction manual. This is a pretty small instruction manual. Alright, let's take a look at the minifigures. Alright, so here we have the two minifigures. Let's take a look at Harry first. So here we have Harry with his round glasses. Looks like he's wearing... Let me get rid of that candle so we can get a better... So we can see better at his torso. Looks like he's wearing a blue hood with... It looks like a pleated shirt underneath. Got a little bit of printing on the back. Looks like he's wearing some light gray or gray pants. He's got a dark brown wand with his wavy black hair. As you saw, me taking this candle off of Harry so we can take a look at the torso. He also has a candle, which is really nice. I really like that piece. Really cool minifigure. And here we have whoever this is. I'm sorry for all you Harry Potter fans again. But it looks like he has a plaided jacket with a red shirt underneath. He's got some blue pants. He's got a nice facial expression, a little smirk, with some long orange hair. He's got a light brown wand with a really nice lantern piece. I really like this piece. Here we have the little tree with spiders all around it. So we have a huge spider web over here with a black spider on it. Here we have a spider coming down with some webbing behind him. I really like that idea. That is really cool. I like that. We got some plants, some leaves. We got a mushroom right there. And it looks like we got a small disc that has a web print on it. Now I'm assuming this is a spider nest, because you can shoot this out. Like so. Like that. And I'm assuming what's supposed to happen is spiders are supposed to come out. Like that. They're supposed to come out of this little nest. That's what I'm assuming that's for. But yeah, this is a nice little tree. Next, here we have is a giant spider, or Aragog, I'm assuming. Yeah, Aragog. I think I'm saying that right. But it's got the legs right there. It's got 4 eyes with a set of fangs on the front. A huge, I don't even know what this part back here is called. I think the abdomen or something. I don't fucking know. I don't know this shit. But anyways, what is going on? Why can you not stand up straight? There we go. But yeah, like all this stuff moves. You can move the fangs around. You can move the legs. For some reason, you can move that. Unless the spider sees something up above. So it's just like, what is that? What is that up there? But yeah, but also the part back here moves. You can move this little back piece right up there. Nothing underneath the spider. But yeah, this is Aragog. Here we have the extra pieces. We actually got a lot of extra pieces in this set. We got a white tooth piece. We got 2 tan spiders with 1 black one. There you go. Kind of blends in with my table. We got a stem, 1 dark brown wand, 1 light brown wand. We got a 1x1 dark tan tile plate. We get 2 slope pieces. 2 slopes. We got 1. Wait, did I just say slopes? I think I'm losing my mind, but what I meant to say was we got 2 studs, 2 studs with holes through them. We got 1 in black and 1 in brown. We got another flame piece for the candle. Really like that. We got a carrot stem piece. A Technic pin. And another 1x1 flat tile with the spider eye print on it. One thing I forgot to mention is both of these characters have another expression. They got a shocked expression or a scared impression. And it's kind of hard to tell, but they also got a little bit of bruising on them. And same thing with the other minifigure as well. He's got another impression as well. So this ends the review for Lego Harry Potter Aragog's Lair, set number 75950. It contains 157 pieces, and it's recommended ages 7 through 14. Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video, press that like button, comment, and subscribe. This is Pig Gamer, and I will see you all later.